Yeah, this is the S500, the new S-Class. We have loaded the map from European to Singapore. Yeah, it's original map loaded. Yeah, start the system. Yeah, this is a map view. Okay, the version is here. Map version, it's a 2021 V5, which is the latest map released in earlier of this year, 2020. Okay. You can zoom in a bit. Right? You can see the map. We can also view this map color scheme to the day, so make it clear, right? Okay, like this. Very beautiful. These 3D buildings coming on. Singapore flyer, right? Really nice. Okay, this is the original 3D map for this S-Class. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.